Another important key point of helping prevent it and to help lessen its impact when it happens is taking care of yourself. Sleep, eat, exercise, spending time with other people, spending time doing other things. They are all the basics that everybody tells us for wellness. I personally have issues with exercise, sleeping, eating well. I mean, I eat, but not necessarily well, and spending time with other people. And so none of that helps when I'm having issues. Like I was up until 2 o'clock in the morning last night. Well, this morning, editing because I couldn't sleep. And I knew I had an edit to get done. I had the files come back and I had to get an edit done. So I stayed up until 2 o'clock in the morning and did it. But the thing is I can do that because I can dictate what time I get up. I live alone. I don't have any other commitments. So when I got up, what time did I get up this morning? I don't know, about 7 o'clock or something. So I haven't had a lot of sleep. And I'm conscious of this today as I'm recording this. I'm conscious of the fact I haven't had a lot of sleep. And as much as I want to get Devon and Ren's stories done today, or at least a chunk of it, there's a good chance that might not happen because it's already the middle of the afternoon and I am feeling that lack of sleep really badly. But taking care of yourself is really important, especially if you spend long times in these chairs, because, yeah, it's not healthy for you in the long term either. I think the one other point I want to make about burnout is that you really shouldn't beat yourself up about it when it does happen. We're all prone to it, especially if you're an author. We're all prone to feeling guilty and feeling bad about ourselves. We think our writing's crap. We think nobody will enjoy what we're writing. We just think we're a fraud and all those other things. You know, there's so many different mental health aspects that come in around being an author, no matter what genre it is you write. I think it's just part of who we are. But the thing is it's very easy to be sitting there, and I've gone through it myself, where I'll be saying, oh, God, I really need to get this done, or I really need to get that done. I mean, I've been saying for 2 weeks, I really need to get Devon and Ren's stories finished. It's not done yet. It will be. I know it will get done, but I just, yeah. And then I get angry with myself because it should be easy and I should have already done it and all this sort of thing. And the thing is that doesn't help. You're not helping yourself when you do that. So if you hear those voices or similar ones in your head, put a big stop sign up. Tell them to cut it out. It's not helpful. Okay? You are an amazing writer. You will get your book finished. You will get it done in your own time. But you have to take time to rest, eat, exercise, spend time with people, and look after yourself.